3.
Candidate number 3 is Esther Gail Uco from Bucari National High School.
Hashtag Bucari.
Your hashtag is hashtag Ngurob Leon.
Europe.
Good evening. For me, Ngurob Leon is not just a gathering. It is the heartbeat of who we are. It symbolizes community, warmth, and the kind of togetherness that turns visitors into family. When people sit with us, share our dishes, and hear our stories, they don't just learn about Leon, they feel Leon. This is the kind of tourism the world is looking for today, ladies and gentlemen. Authentic, human, rooted in culture. By highlighting Ngurob Leon and events, local promotions, we show tourists that our place is not just a destination. It is home where love is served with every meal. Because in Leon, hospitality is not just an act, it is our identity. Thank you.